Hi, it's Christine Richards from Heaven Sent, and today we're doing a how-to video with ultrasonic diffusers. We have a lot of people who come in and who are looking for diffusers, and these seem to be the most popular just now because it not only diffuses your essential oils, but it also does some humidity for you, which is really nice. So the first thing that you need to do is to come in and to choose what type of diffuser that you want. So let's say that you do want to have what we have going on here in the store, which is one of these diffusers here. And this is an ultrasonic diffuser, and that's what it looks like. And there's the inside of it for you as well. So I'm going to show you how to use these, what to put into them, and how to do it. So this is how you're going to open up your diffuser. The first thing that you do is take this top off here, and I usually just set it beside, and then I take this one here off. Now this will have some condensation in the top of it. You'll be able to see it just like this here. So I want to make sure that I don't put it on something that it's going to stain or mark. So just now I'm going to put that over at the side. And then you fill this up with water. So I always use filtered water. I don't use just direct tap water. I use filter water, and I put it up to where it has the line to show you that you can go this far. And then I'm going to add a blend, and this is what people always talk about in our store. They'll come in and they'll smell the nag champa in the diffuser. So I'm going to put, for the size of the rooms that we work in, for a regular room at 8 by 8 to 8 by 10, you might want to use 8 to 10 drops. For the rooms here in the store, we usually do a 30 drop in the morning, and that will hold us for the whole day, usually an 8-hour spread on this one here. And some of the diffusers that have larger reservoirs for the water, they might last up to 10 and 12 hours, and some of the ultrasonic diffusers also have on-off switches, or you can time it for 20 minutes and then it'll go off and then it'll come back on. And so there's a lot of versatility with these ones here. So now that I have my oils in, I just put my top back on. So if you leave this off, you're going to have water all over the place. And then I put the outer lid on, and I'll just turn it on here at the side. And you will see fairly immediately that we have some mist coming up. So again, the reason why people like the ultrasonic is not only does it do essential oils or fragrance oils, but it also moisturizes your air, which makes people more comfortable when they have moisture in the air.